Did you find your baby? Oh, thank you. Oh, you want her hat on? Aww. You can give your baby a hug? Aww. Hug your baby. Aww. Can you give your baby a kiss? Where's your baby? Yeah. Where's your baby's? Maddie, show Gammy your baby's eyes. Where's the baby's eyes? Right. And where's her mouth? That's her head. Where's her mouth? Where's the baby's mouth? Where's Maddie's mouth?